Hey AP Physics C, today we're going to practice counting sig figs in values. So the reason B only has 3 is because those trailing zeros are not significant. And for 505, that 0 is sandwiched between two non-zero digits, so that makes the 0 significant. For D and E, those trailing zeros again are not significant, so there's only 1. For numbers like G, things you need to remember is that leading zeros are never significant digits. So G and K only have 3 significant figures. I is a little bit different. That last 0 is significant because there's a decimal point there. So when you have decimal points, that starts to make zeros more significant unless it's a leading 0. So remember, leading zeros are never significant. That's something students have had trouble with in the past. When doing assignments on Schoology, please check the problem. If I want you to round to a specific number of significant figures, I will state how many to round to in the problem. If there are no instructions regarding significant figures, general default to 3. When I'm doing problems, I default to 2 or 3 sig figs. Nowadays, they don't really check significant figures on the AP exams, but you want to make sure that you're rounding to a reasonable number of sig figs. So when in doubt, 3 is generally considered a reasonable number of sig figs. You don't want to sit there and round out to like 5 or 6 figures.